Sanmonani, so I went to New York City and I went on a boat ride because I wanted to see the Statue of Liberty. Guys, this is my second time going to view the Lady Statue of Liberty. It was gorgeous. So here we were boarding. Um, Bekushisana guys. Like ngikaze ngishiselwe kanje empilweni wami. It was so hot. Kodwa kube ngcono umkhumbi ususukile. So yeah, this was me, Mkunjini. It was so gorgeous, guys. Like it was literally so beautiful. And like I saw a lot of other buildings that even yes, that I would want to walk in person to those buildings. Um yeah, so the boat ride was so cute, and that's the Statue of Liberty. And they were also explaining a lot of things. So it was so nice. We're not only viewing, but also when we're passing buildings and statues, they will explain to us other statues and buildings that it's not. So here, this is the front of the boat. Yeah, you can tell any guys. I just wanted to see what we and Johnny, and then I went downstairs because downstairs they have drinks, sort of like a bar, like there's non-alcoholic and alcoholic drinks. So I got myself a drink, and you mean alone now after a drink, and then I went upstairs. Yeah, so I went back upstairs. And then Nana move like but yeah, this is how it looked. You can entertain, guys. You can entertain, and I love the bridges.